Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you here again in this new session of trading started on Sunday. This is Sunday today, ladies and gentlemen, and we are already on 6:30 Eastern Time. Traders, very grateful to be here again. Traders, after spending a nice weekend, I want to thank God and ask Him the blessing for each of us and also for our channel. So, trader, we're starting here. We're going to start with analysis, but before we jump there, we need to do a brief recap of the week. You know that we're approaching the end of the month, trader. So, we still have a few days, like 2 days. Trader, we're going to see. So, but before we jump there, I need to welcome those in French, since our channel is bilingual. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samien Ngon et très heureux d'être ici. Je remercie le bon Dieu de nous avoir aidés. Alors, aujourd'hui, c'est dimanche. Nous allons commencer notre session. Nous avons l'habitude de commencer un peu plus tôt, mais néanmoins, aujourd'hui, nous commençons à 18h30. Nous allons commencer par un bref résumé de ce qui s'est passé dans la semaine. Alors, comme vous voyez ici, nous avons notre logiciel. Alors, notre logiciel, nous allons essayer un peu d'analyser ce que nous avons pu faire cette semaine. Nous allons commencer d'abord en anglais. Traders, this is our software, TradeZilla. This software helps us, even though we have a spreadsheet, which we, keeping our data, our metrics. We need also to have another software which we're using, which is TradeZilla. So let's see what we did this week, trader. The overall market this week, overall we were up this week. So this is a very nice news to understand that we have been up at the end of the week, which is very, very rare for us, particularly for me. I used to be down most of the time. This month, I never have a green week. No, this is the first one, and I'm grateful with that. Not because I made money, but because I'm moving in the right direction. That is the reason why I'm very, very grateful to God. So, trader, it's not easy. Trading is very, very difficult. When you're making progress, you have to be grateful. That is why let's see the overall market, overall of our metrics. As you can see our metrics here, ladies and gentlemen, you see that we have, last week, we had 38% of the trade win percentage. 38% last week, and we had a profit factor was less than 1, point something, and we had a daily, the daily win rate which was 58 or 57. But today, this week, you can see a big improvement here. We jumped from 38%, to 58% of the daily win rate, percentage, which is a very, very big improvement here. And also the daily win percentage, which we had last time at 58, we jumped today to 80%. 80%, and you can see the results, the outcome of our curve. We came back from 0 here, we went up on top here, and we fell down and we pulled back again. So we didn't remain at the bottom like last week. Last week we did a great job, and we, at the end of the week, we end up giving back everything we made. And we promised ourselves that we got to improve it. So this is what we got on our metrics here. As you can see, according to the net daily P&L, you can see here we have first day, second day, third day, fourth day, and now we plunge here. So trader, when we see our net daily P&L, we understand that we went down. The first day of losing trade was huge. We need to work on it. That is a point. Even though we are glad that we made progress, but we're still having problems. We need to cut our losses. We need to keep our losses small. That is our goal. We need to keep our losses small, because when we see the losses we had here compared to our day, winners, we don't have anything huge like this one. Why should we have this kind of losses, in order to leave the market? It's not good. We need to understand that we need to find a way to reduce our losses. Look at here. This is the calendar. Our calendar here shows that out of 5 days, we won 4 out of 5. But you can see the only day we lost was here. Huge loss. Huge one. It's the same thing we did last time. We lost the only day, the other day, I can say, we lost 2 days last week. But among the 2 days, we have 1 day which was very big, So trader, we don't need to lose a lot in order to stop trading. We can sometimes know that we are moving in the wrong direction. We can cut our losses earlier, small, and that will help. That's going to help so that we can keep our losses small, trader. So you can see here, we have out of 5 days of trading, we lost just 1, which is good. Trader. When we're losing, we have just 1 losing day. It's good, because we remember when we started this journey, we had just 5 losing days consecutively. Before, we have 5. We trade 5 days and we lose all the 5. But today we are making progress here. We're moving in the right direction. We're making progress. We're having more winning day than losing one, which is good. But we need now to work on the losses, to reduce our losses, to keep them small, instead to have big losses like this one, trader. And you can see our metrics here. And we took how many trades? And this day we took just 22 trades. Took 22 trades, because the biggest trade here we took was on Thursday. Thursday we took 34 trades, but on Wednesday we took 22. And also we have 26 trades here on Tuesday. So those are the time. 2 Tuesday and Thursday were the 2 days which we traded huge. We took a lot of trade. And you can see here, as I was saying, the first week we lost $17. The second week we lost $39, huge. And the third week The second week was 39. The third week $7, and today is $24. So let's see what we're gonna have here today and tomorrow. We're gonna close our month. If we behave very well, you're gonna help us to close the month in green. Otherwise, we'll still have a losing month like we used to. But hopefully things gonna change. So when we go now here for, let's see our trade, our report. You see our report here. You see that we have a daily losses. We have our curve here. The P&L curve, we went up and now we came back down. And also here 25th and 26th, was good days for us, so you still have the net P&L here. Those are our metrics here. So let's see our overview compared to the time we spend on the winning trade, on the losing one, and the overall time we holding trade at 14 minutes here. 14 minutes, we hold trade on 14 minutes, and now average holding time winning trade we have 15 minutes. So it means what? When the trade goes in our favor, we need to hold it longer in order to see how it's gonna move. And now average losing trade is 30 minutes, which is great. It's still good. Yep, it's still good, trader. We need to keep working on it. Working on that those metrics to improve them. Yes, we need to work on them in order to improve. And we have our calendar here from January. We're gonna see that one later. So we're trying to work on in our mistakes so that we can improve them. And when we improve our mistakes, that's going to be fine, because the trader needs to improve his mistakes, and you have to know those mistakes first. Trader, you need to know the mistakes you're having. If you know those mistakes, they will help you to improve them. Because if you don't know the mistakes, how are you going to improve them if you don't know them? That is why it's important for us to know our mistakes. So as you can see here, we are moving below. We are our P&L, monthly P&L is down, as you can see. So we have a lot of improvement to make here, trader, which will go there slowly. And we can also see our daily, our winner per days. Which day we're doing great, which day we're not doing great. We can also see here. We see that the Tuesday here is the day we used to have a peak. Yes, but Sunday we make small money, and Thursday. So, but our Tuesday used to be the good day because we have 60% of win ratio, which is great. So that is approximately what we had here this week, trader. Comme je disais, cher trader, j'étais en train de dire que ce que nous avons fait cette semaine, je vais aller là-bas rapidement. Ce que nous avons fait cette semaine, c'est ça. Voici ce que nous avons pu faire cette semaine. Comme vous voyez, nous avons fait des progrès. La dernière fois, nous étions à 38.30 quelque chose pour la moyenne journalière. Voilà. Je vais dire la moyenne de profit, ou je peux le dire. C'est-à-dire le nombre de fois que nous avions eu à gagner dans la semaine, le pourcentage du gain, c'était 58%. Mais à l'époque, c'était 38%, mais aujourd'hui, c'est 58%. Nous avons fait un progrès. Et nous avons eu une augmentation aussi sur le pourcentage journalier. C'est-à-dire combien de fois nous avons été positifs et combien de fois nous avons été négatifs. Nous voyons que nous sommes quittés de 58 à 80%, ce qui est bien. Et nous voyons notre courbe ici. Nous sommes quittés de 0, nous sommes montés jusqu'à ce chiffre, comme vous voyez, cette montagne, et nous avons rechuté. Voilà, le jeudi, le mercredi, nous avons rechuté le mercredi. Après mercredi, nous avons beaucoup perdu. Mais jeudi, on a essayé un peu de récupérer. Donc, c'est pas très bien. Comme vous voyez ici, ça c'est les 5 jours que nous avons trade. Et vous voyez que le 4e jour a une très grande barre rouge. Ceci explique le fait que nous avons perdu beaucoup à ce moment-là. Donc, nous devons travailler sur le fait que nous devons travailler à réduire notre perte afin qu'elle ne soit pas très volumineuse comme celle-ci. Et ça nous arrive toujours. Même la semaine dernière, nous avions eu ce même problème. Nous allons travailler sur ce point afin de diminuer nos pertes. Lorsque nous avons la perte, qu'elle ne soit pas si grande comme celle-ci. Voilà. Mais dans l'ensemble, les choses s'améliorent. Comme vous voyez, nous avons eu 4 jours sur 5 de gain. Mais le 4e jour de perte a été très très grande. Nous allons essayer de travailler. Comme vous voyez ici, la première semaine, nous avons perdu ceci. Deuxième semaine, troisième semaine et 4e semaine, nous sommes au vert. Il nous reste 2 jours pour clôturer notre mois. Nous ne savons pas si ces jours-là seront positifs. Voilà, ou négatifs. Mais néanmoins, nous espérons faire du bon travail. Et lorsque nous allons aussi regarder notre les progrès, voilà. Je vous l'ai dit dans le rapport pour voir combien de temps nous passons à arrêter un trade en perte ou au gain. Nous voyons ici là que le temps aussi est bon. Nous avons 14 minutes ensemble. Voilà, en moyenne 14 minutes que nous restons dans un trade. Voilà, et les trades positifs, nous arrêtons ça un peu plus longtemps, à 15 minutes. Et les trades qui sont à la perte, nous les coupons plus rapidement. Ça montre aussi un progrès. C'est bien. Nous allons continuer à travailler surtout sur ce point. Voilà. Nous allons chercher à savoir pourquoi est-ce que lorsque nous perdons beaucoup ainsi. Est-ce qu'il n'y a-t-il pas moyen de perdre peu? Ce sont des questions que nous allons nous poser et nous allons chercher moyen à les résoudre. So, trader, that was the recap of the week. Let's now go to our trade now and figure out if we can now, let's go to analysis, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go to our daily chart and see what we had today here. This is our daily chart, trader. This is our daily chart. What can we expect today, trader? We have a green candle. We have a small gap down, and the gap down now start coming up. We are in green. So we don't know exactly what the market going to give us today, trader, because we rebound. We rebound now in green, but we are on the downtrend. If you can see, we shouldn't forget it that we are in downtrend. So even though we have a rebound green, we shouldn't forget that we are in the downtrend. Very, very important to know. So we are in downtrend here. We have a small rebounds, green candle, small rebounds here in the downtrend. So we need to we need to pay attention. We are in downtrend. This our trade probably may go up a little bit and now may come back down. The possibility, as you can see here. So placing my four-hour candle. We move up, now we're coming back down. We may come back down completely and turn red. It's possible. There's a possibility here. I'm placing now my support and resistance. All right. So let's now go to our go to our 5-minute. We're gonna have 7 p.m. in less than 10 minutes. 8. So we have this gap down, and the market went up and closed the gap and went above, and now we're coming back down. We're coming back down, trader. So let's see. Let's see. Disait que le marché a ouvert, nous avons eu un bond vers le bas et on a remonté. Nous sommes remontés et on a fermé le bond et on a dépassé un tout petit peu. Nous sommes en train de reprendre vers le bas. Donc soyons prudents. Need to be careful. Our market is on the downtrend. So let's see. We have now a high, low, high, low. The pattern we see here. High, low, high, low. So let's see, we are on the high low now. We don't know if we're going to get the low high. Need to wait and see. You're watching here almost 7 p.m. Eastern time in less than 3 minutes. We have some kind of a rebounds on Canadian. Watching. It's almost 7. Seven here. 12. Want to see our trade going back up? Our trade come down on the support, you gotta be fine. It go up, you'll be fine. So let's see which side gonna take. You're waiting to see. We welcome those who just tune in. We already have our brief how can I call? We have some kind of uh, review of the week. What we did last week. A recap, if I can call it like that. We have a recapitulation of the trade we had on from Sunday till Thursday. You guys can go back and see and check if you want to. So just to track our performance, our metrics, to see how we're moving. So that is the reason why we have to do some brief recap every single week to track our performance, our movement, which is great. So let's see. Today we are approaching to the end of the week. I mean the end of the month. Just remain 2 days, today and tomorrow, probably. So we need to be careful because as a trader, most of the trader, me included, we trade very well at the beginning of the month and the middle, and now at the end of the month we give everything. We give all back to the market. Those are things we have to pay attention, and that happened to me every single week as well. I trade very well 4 days, but the last one I give everything. You need to learn how to make money, which is the first step. Keeping that money is another thing, you know. Making money and keeping it. Making money, not giving that money back to the market. So let's watch here. Let's give time to our trade and see. If you're new to our channel, you can subscribe and like our video. It will help our channel to grow. It's a free channel where we learn how to trade. And we remind you guys that trading is difficult. You have to trade in a demo account. Or you want to use a real money like me, just a very tiny account. Very, very tiny account. Small account. $50, $100. You know, it's good. Even less. Or you can buy a prop firm account and trade from it, you know. They sell prop firm account $40, $45, $50. You buy those accounts, they're going to help you to trade, you know, without losing your own money, because we are learning. And when you learn, you got to know that you will have losses. Don't tell the market you're smart. Yeah, you're smart. When people are taking small quantity, you go big because you seem to be smart. You know, it's true. That time we win, but this is a learning phase. You know, learning phase. We're still on the learning phase. People have to understand that we're here to learn, not to make money. If you guys are looking for a place where you can make money quick, this is not the one. This is not the place. Yep. Things will not turn on overnight for us. You know, we need to work. We need to put more effort here and work hard. Voilà. Donc, nous sommes là. Je disais que le trading est difficile. Il faut trader dans le compte démo. Ne pas trader dans le compte propre. Parce que vous allez avoir des pertes. Nous sommes en train d'apprendre. Voilà. C'est ce que je dis. Trading est très difficile. Vous pouvez trader dans le propre firm account. Compte. Ou bien, si vous voulez utiliser l'argent propre. Un peu. Tout juste un peu. Our channel is bilingual, that is why. So we expect our trade now. As you can see, we went up, and now this is the resistance here, which is great. Place my trade here. I would expect my trade to come back at that point. You know, my trade would have come back there. It will be fine for me. So I like it. Let's see. Sometimes they give you advice. People don't follow the advice. It's okay. You don't have to. You don't have to do everything people are telling you to do. Yep. Me too, there are times I don't do them. Those things, I do my own things. But on trading, that is not how it works. Yep, trading is a little bit complicated. They don't skip the steps here. You gotta pass through the steps to become a profitable trader. That is the point. Don't skip steps. You go slowly. You know. That is why I like to tell you guys that I've been trading for 5 years. Not Forex, but the stock market. And I wasn't I was not trading regularly like I'm doing right now, because this one gave me time, you know. But I made all those mistakes. I'm telling you, everything they told me I didn't follow. You see how I'm taking it over again? Yep, I'm taking it over again the right way now, because I didn't listen. That is how I work. As a trader, you need to do certain things. You need to write down your metrics, spreadsheet. Writing down. Even though you write it down, you don't even understand what you're writing. It's better to write than not writing. Because when you take your pen and start writing things down, the same time you're writing down, even though you won't read it tomorrow, you're going to stick in your mind. That is how it is. Because you wrote yourself. You wrote it. Even though you don't come back there tomorrow, the fact that your mind is writing down that I jumped the gun here, or I didn't respect my stop at this point today, you write it down like that, it's going to remain in the back of your mind that you made mistake today. That is what is important. I didn't follow my plan today. I was scaring to enter the trade after seeing a very clear, patterns or downtrend. I was scared. I hesitated. You write it down. It's going to help you. Remain in your mind that you did it today. Very, very important. Those are the advice they were giving me too, that I'm giving you at this point, trader. Telling me to do. And I started to do those as well. You know that you work 5 days consecutively, and during the 5 days you were green 3 days out of 5, or 4 days, or 1 day. That will help you to know that you're moving forward or you're moving backward. It help you to know. Yeah. Instead just to trade randomly like that without knowing where you're going. Gotta track what you're doing. For example, where I'm right now, I know my problem, which I have to work on. I know that when I take a loss, I take a huge one. Losing day is a huge one. But how will I do to reduce that? Because that is my problem right now. Yeah, and my second problem also is that when I enter the trade, when the trade start giving me money, I can't hold it for a long time. Even though, especially when I already make money on the first time. If I made money on my first trade, the second one, I'm going to scare to enter, because I'm scared to lose money, the money I made. Those are the problem I'm facing, trader. Those are my problem. Our trade start coming down. Start coming down. I can enter the trade here and place my stop at this level, trader. Yep. Especially, let me see here. I need to wait my Australia, Japanese to break here. This small level. Australia could have break here, would be fine for me because I may have a rejection here as well. I need to be careful with the rejection. Need to be careful with rejection. That's what we've seen here. See a rejection. Want to see a continuation down if it's possible. Coming down. Let me see here. Australia also want to come down. I'm taking this trade for the down trend. Trader. I'm taking also here, also on on US Japanese here. I will see if it can work. Keep those 4 trade at this time. Going short there and waiting the other guys to do the same. We see a rejection. I don't want to go all the way to top like this. I prefer taking a small loss. So I took 4 trade for the short. We see a rejection right away. Let's see. See a rejection. That is how I used to do. Sometimes you take a trade, it's going down directly, in reverse. Let's see. I'm out of Canadian. Out of Canadian Japanese. Watching. See rebounds. Watching this trade, don't know what we're gonna do. Gonna see a continuation down. I took 4 trades. Now I already get out of one. Waiting to see the 3 remaining ones. I wanted to take a continuation down. Want to see Australia breaking. With Japanese reverse. Sometimes you enter the trade at the wrong moment. You know, the trade was doing something, now you just enter the trade expecting to continue down or up. At the time the trade now reverse. It's possible. It means that you took it on the wrong moment. Hopefully that it won't be the case here. I want to see a continuation down. See a lot of rejection from the low. See a push up. I'll get out of US Japanese as well. Approaching my stop. out of Australia Japanese with a loss. Up. Remain to trade here. We're now climbing to get to it. I'm still on 2 trade here for short. My stop on Australia was closed. Australia look like it's want to break, coming down. I was there for a short, but my stop was closed. Getting close to my stop on Australia Japanese, US Japanese. Let's see. Just two trade, as you can see. Moving up. Sorry. Climbing 8, approaching. Watching. Want to see GBP breaking here? Continuation down. Euro as well. Euro break here. I'll go short. trying to see in case let's watch and see. Want to see a break? Nice push down on US Japanese. Want to see also GBP breaking, rejection. Want to see a push down continuation. Traders. Want to see a break on GBP. See a rejection from the low. Keep holding. People were sitting here a lot, which is good. Need a support at this level as well. Approaching 8. See a big rejection, big one. Trader, we expect to see another rejection also there, but no. Trader moving up, no good. Pull back. Trader, let's see. Approaching 8. I'm not going to take another trade until 8. Approaching my stop on GBP. Approaching my stop, GBP. Want to see a pullback if it's possible. Otherwise, you're going to stop that. Close my stop, GBP. Trader. out of GBP trader. Out of GBP with a loss. That's my third trade. Take it. See that my entry point was here. So for this break, but it didn't work out. As you can see, it was a fake breakdown. Most of the time it happened. So now it remains just one trade, US Japanese. Out of US Japanese as well. Trade, I lost all my trade. Lost all my trade. I'm out. Now I gotta fight with a loss. Gotta wait for 8. That is my first round of losing trade. Four pairs. Almost 5 minutes to 8. Moving up. Less than 3 minutes here. Less than 2 minutes. Maybe that is a reversal I was looking for. Gonna come now. Now I'm gonna be at 8. Gonna see. We're gonna have a pull back down. Let's see. Continuation up. It's 8. Twitter is 8 here. Let's see. Let's see. Come down. Trying to come down. We hold it. Reversal. Reversal here. We're holding here. I'm still holding. Gotta wait and see. Still holding. Still holding. Not trade yet. We're holding at this level. Great move. I'm gonna go long here, trader. I'm going long. Going long there. Going long. Let me see. Place my stop below. Coming down, trader. Pushing back down. Taking this one, a miss. Taking this one as well. This is critical here, trader. Let's see. Took a long trade. I'm still watching to see if we can take on China Japanese. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but I'm still watching for long because we didn't drop. Watch it. We didn't deep down, so I don't know. Coming back down. Coming down. No good. Coming down. Going to see China. Pushing my stop. I'm taking a long here on China. My stop gotta be here. In case you come down, kick me out. Trader, you have to take one direction. You know, it's obvious here. Sorry. So I chose the long one. So let's see. Kick me out. I'll be out of the trade. Gotta place my stuff here properly on this guy. Gotta be here. Okay, that is fine. So the one kicking me out, I take it. Let's see. See a rejection. Want to see a rejection? Want to see our trade moving up? Nice rejection. Want to see a continuation up? Nice push. Trader, good. Want to see a continuation? I don't know where it may stop, but we don't know. We may have some kind of a spike. It's possible. Because sometimes happen. Before you open your eyes, you already have it. So I'm just trying to place my trade here in case. So let's see, trader. Watching uptrend. We don't want to see a rejection, trader. You see a continuation break. Possible to get a rejection there. Let's see. Want to see a push up. We want to see our trade continue up. We don't want to see a pullback. No good. Trader, I'm on the long. Let's see. Our trade are taking time to move. I'm still holding. Long position. See trade. I added my quantity here. Added my quantity. Let's see. We saw a rejection from the lower. So we're expecting our trade to keep going up, but it's stuck in there. Australia Japanese is doing great. Want to see where Japanese rejecting from the low. Great move. Want to see a continuation break. Want to see a continuation push up. Want to see your Japanese turning green. No rejection. Australia Japanese want to see breaking. Australia Japanese new high. See holding. China not doing anything. But hopefully we'll see China moving up. Nice with the Australia Japanese. Want to see Australia Japanese breaking there. With a nice move. Want to see US Japanese green. Nice continuation. US Japanese have to break. Great. Euro Japanese great. Nice move. We don't want to see a rejection. Trader, I'm still holding here. Want to see a continuation up. Great. Nice move. Want to see Australia breaking. Nice move. We're still walking. Want to see China moving up. Don't want to see a reversal. No. See a break on Australia. Trader, I'm still holding my trade here. I got a wheel. I got a hole. Still holding. Still holding my trade. See the pullback on Australia. See pullback. I'm not giving up. Gotta keep holding. We know that it's hard to hold on the winning trade, but I have to. Let's see. Let's keep going. We are there on the support, on the resistance, I mean. Let's see. Want to see Australia Japanese breaking new high. Nice Australia Japanese. Want to see a very bullish green candle. Breaking the top. I want to see also US Japanese breaking that resistance. I'm still holding the long here, trader. I don't know if I'm gonna get here or not, but I'm still holding. Don't know. Let's see. We're gonna have instead pull back or not. And I'm still holding. See holding here. I'm not giving up on the long. I know I can have a losing trade here. It's possible. Let's see. Sometimes it's just a retest. Continue up. It's possible. Watching. Trader pulling back down. China, Japanese. Going back down. Want to see a rejection from the low. USD Japanese doing great. Saw a rejection on USD Japanese. Want to see a rejection on Canadian and also Euro Japanese and China. Yes, hello, man. How you doing? Yeah, nice to talk to you, man. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you. What is your name? I don't see your name here. Trader, we see a rejection. Hopefully, going to reject from the low and continuation up. That is what we're looking for. We don't want to see a continuation down. This is not good. I can't read what you're writing, man. I read English and French. Other language I don't read. You know. I'm sorry. So want to see a rejection? Red candle rejection. I'm not trading gold now. You know, I'm just trading the currencies, as you can see. We're coming down, trader, with a speed, which is not good here. Not good. Hopefully, we're going to have a rejection, a reversal. Watching. Keep coming down. It won't be good. I'm still holding. Want to see a reversal, green candle. Reversal. Trader. This is after 8. So want to see uptrend. Still holding. Hopefully we're gonna have an uptrend and break resistance. Yes, I understand. Which language do you speak? Actually, we're here to learn trading. We're learning how to trade here. That is what we're doing. And this is a free channel. You can, subscribe. We're here every day. We're learning how to trade. You can always come here to learn how to trade. I don't know which language you speak, but so want to see a reversal up. It looks like we're going downtrend. Keep going down, it won't be good, trader. It means that we're going to lose this trade, huge loss, which is not good. Want to see our trade going back up, if possible. If we get it, it will be fine for us. Got an uptrend. Watch it. Want to see a reversal at that level. So at this level, I don't know what the trade gonna do. I'm having more than a large quantity I used to take. So I don't know if we're gonna keep going down or up. Yes, I was talking to you. I was asking which language do you speak, and where are you watching us from? Those are the question I was asking. You write English very well, so I don't know. You don't have to speak. You can just write. I'm talking to you. Let's watch and see. Trader, it look like we're pushing down. Not good here. Not good. Let's see. I'm still holding here, expecting our trade to go up, hopefully. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Your Japanese doing great. Nice push. Want to see our trade going up. I want to see a new high. Nice. Want to see a new high in our trade. Nice push. Want to see a continuation up. Want to see a continuation up, trader. Want to see Australia go in and break. Not good. Fall back down. Watching here. Want to see our trade reversing. It's hard to have volume to reverse. Pushing down. Not good. We see that our trade are holding at this level, but having hard time to reverse. What is good is that it's holding here. Hopefully, we'll see a reversal. On va voir notre trade continuer vers le haut, au vert. Trader. On voit le vert vers le haut. Voilà, on voit la continuité. Où notre trade puisse continuer vers le haut. Voilà, c'est bien. On ne veut pas voir le rejet. Nice. We want to see our trade moving up. That is how it is when you carry a lot of quantity, more than usual. especially because you were thinking that things gonna move to your direction. Now sometimes it doesn't do what you were expecting, you know. So hopefully we'll see our trade moving up. Keep holding. Want to see Australia breaking there? See holding. We're now approaching 9, trader. I'm still on the second round of trade I took. Still there. Expecting those trades to move. I'm going to see my trade moving up. Breaking the 20. Those who are not yet, like China. I see a push up. See holding. See holding. Trade. Trying to push up. I don't know. Trying to move up and come back down. You don't have to follow me, man. I used to be wrong. You don't have to follow me. And if you have to follow me, you got to follow me in demo account. Just take a demo account or, a small quantity. You don't have to copy my trade because I used to be wrong, man. So I'm still holding here, trader, for the uptrend. Still holding. I don't know what those trade gonna do, but still holding here, expecting our trade to move up. You have to do your own analysis because you may be wrong. I used to be wrong. Oh, you're from Shanghai, China, and currently in Vietnam. Oh, nice to talk to you, man. See, our trade are coming down. So It's a little bit tricky here. See our trade coming down. I'm still holding. So be careful. You don't need to follow me, you know. You need to do your own analysis before you take a trade. I really appreciate, man. From Shanghai, China. I know that it's the morning in Vietnam now. Here I am in US. So trader, our trade look like they are taking the downtrend, the downside. So you need to be careful. You need to have your stop in the market, you know. Have your stop because we don't know what they're gonna do. Stopped out in case, you know. Hopefully we'll have a rejection. Hopefully we're gonna have a rejection here. We're approaching the stop on China. China Japanese coming back down. Unfortunately, we're expecting our trade to go up, but they look like they want to come down. So hopefully, if you have a rejection, it'll be fine. Nice to hear somebody in Vietnam watching us. Good to hear that. Already we have somebody from Iran. Another one from Brazil. So people are watching us all around the world, which is great. We like to hear that. We have international channel. People watch us everywhere. It's great. So I'm still holding here. Want to see a rejection from the low in China. Thank you, my friend. Very happy to talk to you. You can visit us here every day. You know, tomorrow we gotta be here. After tomorrow again. So you can visit us whenever you want. So we see holding trade. Wow. You're not allowed to trade foreign exchange in China. Wow, I never hear this. Wow. It's hard there. Our trade are coming down, trader. So it's obvious that we're heading down. Obvious here. Unfortunately, we're expecting our trade to go up, but it's taking a downtrend. There is nothing I can do. You know, I gotta just keep holding. The one kicking me out, I get out. The one keeping me there, I'll be in. Hopefully, gonna reverse. You're not allowed to trade foreign exchange in China. Wow. That is hard. I'm saying that I'm from US, United States. It's where I'm trading from. This is Washington. So we see a rejection, which is great. It gives us a little bit hope, trader. Hopefully, gonna work. Want to see US Japanese going up. We'll see our trade moving back up. Gotta be nice for us. Thank you. Want to see our trade moving up. Nice rejection. Today evening trade is very, very difficult, trader. Very difficult. We are moving now to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Want to see a huge pullback. Nice. US Japanese. Want to see breaking. Another one. Want to see another move up. Trader. Want to see another move up here. We don't want to see a rejection. Want to see another move up, pushing up. Nice push. Want to see a continuation up. Thank you. You like America very much. Thank you. Many people like America. It's good. Want to see another candle? Yep, going up. Want to see candle moving up? Trader. Nice reversal. Nice reversal. Want to see a continuation up? Japanese trying to move up. It's great. Nice. Nice move. Nice move, trader. Great push up. I'm still holding here. Gotta keep moving up. We don't want to see a rejection. Nice. Want to see a continuation, trader? Great. Nice. Nice push. Great. Want to see a break on Australia Japanese? Nice. Great. Want to see a continuation, trader? Want to see a continuation? I'm still holding. I'm still holding, trader. Want to see a push up? See a pullback. Complete pullback. Which is not good. Yeah, that's it. You're right. You're right. But you're writing English very well, but you say you don't speak in English. I don't understand. You write English, you know, you can express yourself. Trader, want to see our trade moving above the resistance? Trader, I'm still holding. I'm still holding here. I'm not giving up yet. Great move. Wanna keep pushing. Nice. Nice here. I'm still holding. Wanna see Australia Japanese breaking? And US Japanese already almost break. Wanna see a continuation up on Chinese as well. Wanna see Chinese breaking here. Trader, I'm still holding. Let's move. Nice. Nice move here. I'm still holding. I want to see another candle coming above the continuation. Nice. I want to see if we can push up again. No. Now good. Now good. Reversal is too much. Want to see the break. Australia is pulling back completely down. It's not good. Wow. I sacrificed my profit here, trader. I don't know. Want to see a reversal up. I'm still holding. Trader, sometimes you can, you know, sacrifice your gain. I'm pushing my stop here in case it doesn't work. I'll be out of the trade. I won't lose a lot of money. Prefer to place my stop here. If I gotta lose, I lose not too much. I readjust my stop, trader, because I was already on profit a lot, but coming back down. I don't want to take the huge loss again. If I take a loss, I will take it. I will be fine with what I want to take. But this doesn't make sense to have this kind of winning trade and now coming back down. You know, it's not good, but sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. What happened to me today? So I'm not happy with this kind of trader. I'm not happy. What happened to me here? So not good. Wrong trade. It's a bad trade for me because I was supposed to take my profit, but I didn't take it. I'm still holding here. Let's see. We see a rejection of the low, it will be fine, but otherwise, I'm going to take a loss here. It's not good. So let's see. Maybe we might go and retest the high. Who knows? Nobody knows what the trade is gonna do. Nobody knows. We may go and retest the high. It's possible. Maybe and continue even up. It's a possibility here. It's a possibility. Gotta see holding here. Trade came to retest. I don't know if we're going to have a continuation down or we're going to pull back. I don't know. Anything going to happen, I will take it. Coming back down. So that's coming down. Gonna see our trade coming back up. If he does it, he'll be fine. Watching, want to see our trade going back, retesting the high and breaking. Australia coming to my stop. So nothing I can do. This is insane, man. Being on the very winning trade and now coming back down like this and losing. This is really not good as a trader. Truthfully, it's not good. It's not something I can like, you know, because market is controlling by greed and fear. So I was greedy here, you know, I wanted more. That is why if I lose this trade, that is the one of the reasons, you know, the main reason even, because I was expecting to have more, and at the end it did what it did. Now we're at 9 p.m. Eastern time pass. So see a rejection on Australia Japanese. So I'm close to my stop on Euro Japanese. Gotta get out soon. Euro Japanese trader. If I get out Euro Japanese, I don't know. I'll wait to see the other guys remaining. I'm out of Euro Japanese with a loss. Trader. So that was a very nice winning trade for me, but I didn't take it, you know, because I was greedy. And we see the outcome here. What's going on now for me? So it happens. I'm out of Euro Japanese trader with a loss. I'm taking the loss here, getting out of this trade, trader. This is not good. It's not good at all. Yep, it's not good. It's not good. Not good here. Trader. Maybe back trader. So we're going downtrend now. Trader. Going downtrend. We're going downtrend. I gotta switch my account. Trader. Switch my account. Because that one, I hit my mass loss there. So I'm trying to see if you can go short. This time. Gotta see to go short and place my stop above, because as I see here, I'm not sure that we're gonna catch up the top. When I look at here in 1 hour, see that we gotta go on a downtrend now. So that is what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna take a short position without any taking the short position and placing my stop above. I'm trying again. If it doesn't work, I will be out of the trade. Placing my stop above here. Placing my stop above here for the short. I know I may be wrong again, but I'm doing it. Took a short this time. Took a short position. Took a short. Want to see our trade coming down, breaking. Let's see. Let's see the trade continue downtrend. Want to see a continuation. Want to see a continuation down. On the short. Trader pushing up. I flip my direction now from the long to short. Australia going up. Let's see. Your Japanese try to come down. Want to see our trade coming down now. Want to see our trade continue down. Moving down, I want to see a break. Want to see a break in continuation. Nice. trader. You don't want to see a rejection. Want to see a continuation with the red candle down, not pull back. Want to see a continuation down. Want to see China breaking and Australia as well. Nice. Want to see them continue down. Australia as well. Want to see a continuation down, breaking, new low. Don't want to see a rejection. GBP have to go to new low. Expect GBP to break new low. See holding. I'm still holding a trade here. Want to see Euro Japanese new low. It's possible. Australia Japanese as well, new low. I don't scare. I keep holding my trade. Even though the water turned the other time I lost. Give me profit I didn't take. Even though it does it today again, I will take it. Take another loss here, no problem. Each trade is unique. Trade are not the same. If the other one did it, it doesn't mean that this one will do the same. So gotta keep holding. Maybe we may have a break down in continuation. That is what I'm looking for. If I don't get it, that's fine. But I want to get it here. Nice push. Nice. Want to see a continuation. Trade are not the same. That is what I said. Don't compare trade with what was before. You see the other one. Say maybe they're gonna do the same, but it may do, but they're not the same. Nice move here. Nice. Want to see a continuation. Nice. I can place my target here. This one. Nice. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm still holding here. I'm not giving up yet. Maybe we may have a retest. Still holding. Let's see. Want to see our trade there. Let's keep going. See holding. See a rejection. I'm still holding. Want to see is we can have a retest there, but want to see a continuation down. Want to see a continuation down. Nice. Want to see a continuation, which is possible. Want to see Japanese breaking there. Australia have to break. And come here, this level. See holding. See holding. I gotta learn how to hold on the winning trade, trader. I gotta learn. It's very, very important for me. It's very important. If you pull back, that's fine. I gotta exercise learning how to hold on the winning trade. If you pull back there, that's fine. It might be just a retest for the continuation down. Let's see. Want to see another red candle going down. Nice. Push. Nice. Nice, trader. Want to see Australia breaking. Want to see a continuation push down. Continuation. Want to see another push. Trader. Australia, want to see Australia breaking. I'm still holding. Still holding here. You've got to move a little bit again down. I'm holding, still holding here. Want to see a continuation down. Want to see another move. So Australia is moving up. Australia moving up. Want to see our trade going back down. Want to see holding for the short, because it might just be a retest and continuation down. Let's see. Want to see a continuation. Watching. Want to see a continuation down. Want to see China breaking. Look like it's not doing it. Trader, I'm going to take my profit here at this level. Look like it's not doing what I want. I'll wait to see. Wait to see a new low. So great trade. He's doing it now. I waited, but I don't get it. Now he's doing it. Let's wait and see. It's a nice trade. Thank you, Chelsea. Thank you. Put back our losses back. This is what I was looking for, trader. This is what I was looking for. Sometimes you don't get what you want, man. This is what I was expecting, trader. Is it? Oh, man. So, this is what I was expecting, but I didn't get it. I went out earlier. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. Take it. Keep going down. I want to see if I can take a long trade here on Australia, and here this guy as well. I don't know which trade, which place the stop here. Took two trade. Gotta check them and see. If you were Japanese, go back. I will take it also for the long. I just took the two trade. Let me see how they're gonna do. Want to see US Japanese pushing back up. I see a rejection. I'm going to go long on US Japanese and place my stop below in case. The candle. going to see US Japanese pulling back, rejecting. Got to be a good trade. So Japanese keep going down. Not good. Want to see rejection. So Japanese not doing great. Continuation down. Not good. I gotta get out of Australia Japanese soon. Continue down. I'm out of Australia Japanese. Trader. With a loss. Keep coming down. Approaching 10. See Willie. Let's see. Let's see US Japanese coming in above. Can go long. Go long on US Japanese. If you break here. Keep coming down. breaking. Pardon. Coming down. This is the downtrend I was expecting to catch, but I couldn't. Now it looks like we keep going down here. I want to go long on US Japanese trader. I'm waiting to see. Maybe we may have, continue down. It's possible. Let's see a continuation down. Because this is the support, the real support. Let's see. We're approaching now 10. I still have opportunity here. Is what I'm thinking. Still have opportunity here. Watching to see if those opportunities can catch up. I'm trying to see to go long on US Japanese trader. Going here and placing my stop below here. I'm going long on US Japanese and place my stop below. If it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade, and that is it for today, trader. Let's see. It's hard to take the bottom, I know. So let's see. Going up, this one going down. I don't understand. Also, I gotta go along on Australia Japanese trader. I'm trying to go long here on Australia Japanese and placing my stop below here. That is what I'm trying also. Gotta wait and see the green candle for me. See a rejection. Gonna see a green candle on Australia Japanese. So I can go long. GBP keep pushing down. Not good. Almost at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Gonna see if I can get another opportunity. I'm going long here on the Australia Japanese. Place my stop here below. Let's see. We're going to pass 10 today. So I'm still on the trade here. Let's see. Good move. Let's see. Coming back down. Not good. Trader. Not good at all. Not good. Here. Out of the trade. Okay. Trader, today still I give what I was not supposed, It's not good here. What is happening here in the market? Not good. I want to take a reversal, so I gotta learn my lesson that when the trade is keep going down, gotta be careful, not taking the direction, the opposite direction. It's not always good. It causes me problem all over the time. See, it's better to follow the trend. That is a US Japanese already break. So this is a thin. So not good here. Trade keep coming down. Want to see a rejection on US Japanese and Australia? Want to see a rejection? China have to reject here. Let's see a rejection. They are going downtrend. So I have to get out of the trade. So I'm getting out, trader. It's okay. Look at this kind of drop here. Well, it's just supposed to stay in my trade, you know. I have this drop, you know, a lot of money. But once more, I fail. I'm having this every time, you know. Having this problem all over the time. I'm in the trade, winning trade. Now I come out, I start taking the reversal. I have to stop doing that. Yeah, I need to stop doing this. Gotta take me time to get there. Yeah, it'll take me time, a lot of time. Taking me a lot of time, long time to get there, to solve this problem. Trader. Yep. Today is a losing trade. It's a losing day. It couldn't be. Couldn't be a losing day, but it is. I take it. It was a pleasure for me to trade today, trader. Ça a été un très grand plaisir pour moi, malgré que les choses n'ont pas marché. Voilà, je vais m'arrêter ici. I gotta stop here, trader. Yeah, I was green and I went back red, so gotta stop here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow again. 7, around 7 p.m. trader. I appreciate people who was here with us today. Hope we'll see you tomorrow again. Merci beaucoup. Nous allons nous revoir demain à 19h. Merci. Au revoir.